We are pleased to show you the 2021 Corolla Hatchback. The Toyota Corolla Hatchback will make you smile. The performance and shifty driving experience will certainly leave you wanting more. A sharp exterior look and an abundance of technology, like the Toyota Safety Sense, make this a vehicle worth looking at. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, brake assist, daytime running lights, driver illuminated vanity mirror, four-wheel disc brakes, FWD, integrated turn signal mirrors, tires, front performance. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.